Hi, I am Akil. Welcome to iCAD Systems. In the previous tutorial video, I already taught how to create the doors. Now, I will teach you how to draw windows. First, you go to Architecture and click the Window menu. In the properties, you should have seen the Windows options, but if the windows that you want is not in the list, you can load the family by clicking here and go to the right folder, US Metric, Windows, and let's say you choose casement double width trim and click open. If you have already selected the casement double width trim, it will appear here and you can just put on the walls line. It's the same steps as creating the doors. So you just click here and click here. One for this room, one for this living area, and one for the kitchen area. You can also switch the orientation by clicking this icon. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.